Subscribers, you can see tram 15T, articulated pass, SOR NS18, and loco Siemens Vectron. Here you can see another tram 15T with other colors. Moving down, don't forget to visit my e-shop toje-moje.cz with things for happiness, birthday, name day, bad day, good day. And let's continue watching what's new. I'm currently in Prague, in Churchill Square. You can see older long distance train of Czech Railways, and from under the bridge is coming legendary tram Tatra T3. And regarding the Churchill Square, it's located in neighborhood Žižkov, houses from 19th century. Here is a house from 1930s, originally built as an insurance company, Radost office building. Now it's a house of labor unions. Here is one of the three buildings of Economic University in Prague. This is currently the 1930s so-called old building, and here are brand new offices on former rail lands. And down here you can see railjet train of Austrian State Railways, OBB. And as a last one, you will see right now tram Škoda 15T with the yellow mask. It's the second series of deliveries between 2011 and 2024, in total 250 units. This second series is recognizable by its orange/yellow face masks, plastic seats, and AC. And I think that's all for now. See you in my next video, or visit my new YouTube channel, which is called Master of Cooking Disasters. Thank you, your Johnny.